Hi everybody, we're going to do a core and back sequence today. Excuse me, Cody. 4 counts up, 4 counts down. Moving here. Excuse me, buddy. Excuse me. Cody. Keep your shoulder girdle very strong. Last one. A deep squat, your deepest squat. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Cody. 6, 5, 4, yes, 3, 2, and 1, reverse. Arch your back. Take a big inhale in between these shoulder blades. Not long. The cat's right there. Cody. And come to Cody. Okay, yes, I love you too. Go this way, please. And come to Chaturanga. Yes, buddy. Who's a good boy? Oh, you're a good boy, aren't you? Yes, you are.